Here is a sandbox environment for the NetSuite configurations. According we have a import data, and here is a data type for the import records. Here is a customer, vendors, products, sale, purchasing bills, credit notes, and other operations as well. We are also, according that range wise, we can import the data. Let's see how many data we have filled. Currently we have some data linked through sandbox environment. Here is operations. We have provided all the kind of operations we have, so emails and operations and other things as well.
Customize.
We can also redirect from here and see the information for the NetSuite IDs. Operations, we have also partitions page wise for the credentials, configurations, and after we have operations for the customers. Here you can set NetSuite fields, customers, and here is the mapping fields for the customer side. And here you can also fetch the customer field. According wise, we have operations for the vendors, for the products, for the sales, for the purchase, and we have many operations we could import times set the properly. Here is a bidirectional flows, so we can use. Thank you.